So we're very pleased about that. And what that does is obviously gives good fuel economy, low CO2 emissions, and excellent high-speed stability.
A car uses power to overcome drag, the effect of air passing over the vehicle as it moves. The heavier the car, the more power needed to push through this force. This effort burns up fuel. It's like driving through invisible soup. Reduce the drag, and you increase the speed and improve fuel consumption. To further hone this performance, the car needs to lose weight. That's why steel body parts are being replaced with aluminium. Tooling and engineering manager Jim Harper, a 20-year veteran,